In this video, I will show you how to export video in DaVinci Resolve 19 for Instagram Reels. So the first thing you need to know is that DaVinci Resolve actually can edit everything. However, Instagram only uses 9 by 16 ratio for the Reels, which means it needs to be portrait. And as you can see right now, we have a landscape right here. So what we can do is we can head over and then just click onto that particular video, and then you can resize it according to your liking. So you can resize it and you can change it up if you want. You can also open another project in order to actually go over and then just insert it just like that. Now, once you have your actual video, you can head over and see in here this export option. So you have in here the quick export. We have in here the quick export option. We have the file name, resolution, audio, frame rate, and likes. After that, click onto this export option if you want. But as you can see, we don't have in here an option for Instagram. So you can just export it as an MP4 and then upload it onto your Instagram later on. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.